Hi, good morning. Today is Sunday, August 24th of 2025. It's 11:30 in the morning. I just got back from the golf course. It's a very hot day in Phoenix. It's been a hot summer. If you don't know me and you're new to my station or my channel, my other than being a lawyer and promoting our law firm, my two biggest hobbies are weightlifting and exercising, and then also golf. So I do golf a lot, and I spend a lot of time at the gym. And I just got back today. I only played 9 holes today. I played with one of my personal injury friends, and we had a great time. I would like to wake up early, try to beat the heat. But one of the questions that I get all the time, and being one of the largest DUI law firms in Arizona, and it's always funny because I'm out with friends who aren't lawyers, and they say, "Hey, I went. Can you get a DUI under this situation or that situation?" Or there's always these misconceptions about the do's and the don'ts of DUIs. But thought I'd shoot this video because one of the questions I get a lot are, "Can you get a DUI on a bike? Can you get a DUI on a golf cart?" Bike, I've been practicing law since 2010, so going on 16 years. I've never once had a phone call about getting a DUI on a bike. I've never had a phone call about getting a DUI on a horse. Because people all the time say, "Oh, you can get a DUI on a bike, you can get a DUI on a horse." Maybe they heard that at defensive driving school. And some, retired person said that they could do it, but you can't. I guess maybe you could, but I don't see how it's possible. If you look at the Arizona law, it says driving or operating a motor vehicle, so it has to have a motor in it. So therefore, if it's a bike or a course, I highly doubt they could even charge or would even charge. And I would probably know, not only because I'm a lawyer, obviously, but because we probably do 5 to 10 DUI consults per day, and it's been that way for 16 years. And if the cops were citing for it, I would have got the call for it, and I've never gotten the call for it. I've also, believe it or not, as much as people drink on the golf course, I don't like to drink on the golf course because it screws up my game, and my game's not that good, and I need all of the help I can get. So I don't like to drink, especially when it's hot. I just drink Gatorade or water. But for those for my friends or other people on the golf course that like to indulge and throw back some beer or some cocktails on the golf course and they get drunk, I've never once seen somebody call in, or I've never had anyone call in for a DUI on a golf cart. I would caution you, of course, if you're throwing it back and having a good time and you're drinking. Of course, you get into your car and you drive home. I've had those DUIs from people out with their friends on a Saturday or Sunday or any time, and say I was out with my buddies and I got a DUI after golf. I get those calls all the time, but I've never had a DUI on a golf course or a golf cart that's on a golf course. One time, many years ago, when the electric scooters. So I think they were called Birds, maybe I can't remember Birds. The electric scooters when you could rent them, and there was a lot in Old Town Scottsdale. I think they've gotten rid of all of them because they were dangerous. But we had one call for somebody that got a DUI on one of those in Old Town Scottsdale, and we went to court, and I think we either got it completely dismissed or we got it dismissed or reduced to a civil violation. And even those, the motor vehicle, they have a motor. Um, I haven't really seen those charges stick. That's been the one and only call I've ever received for a DUI on a scooter, and then we were able to get that one dismissed. So the purpose of this video, have a good time, be on the golf course, throw back beers and cocktails with your friends. Of course, if you roll the carts, if you run it into the lake, I've seen that before, believe it or not. Somebody roll a cart or put it in a lake, they may call the police on you, the golf course, and then you could be cited for disorderly conduct or you ruin the golf course or the golf cart, criminal damage. But I've never seen a DUI. But be careful if you get in your car, you drive off, because of course you get into your regular car, you get stopped for a DUI and arrested for a DUI. And guys, if you're guys and girls, and if you're watching this video and you got a DUI or anybody in your family or friends get a DUI in the state of Arizona, we really are the law firm to call. We handle more of these cases than any other law firm you'll speak with. There's 10 lawyers at my firm. I am the owner. My name is Matt Lopez, and I'm well connected. I'm born and raised in the Phoenix area. I've been here all my life except for 1 year of law school. I was in Pennsylvania, but I transferred back to finish my law school here. So we love the community. We're connected to the community. I love my clients, and there's a reason why we're rated one of the top criminal defense law firms in Arizona. Is because we love our clients. We treat them with respect. We treat them like family, and above all, we get really good results. So if you need us, give me a call. If you want to speak with me directly, tell my receptionist, hey, I saw Matt's YouTube video. I want to speak with him directly. And I'm always available. My number is 602-980-1987. We appreciate you watching this video. If you would like, what my daughter told me to do is ask everyone to subscribe to our channel. There's a lot of content out there. There's a lot of good content. And more importantly for me, if you want to give me some reviews or some comments in the comment section, say, hey, Matt, I want you to go over this or that or whatever. I'd be more than happy to answer whatever questions you have or shoot a new video or add more content for whatever questions I can provide, or answers I can provide to your questions, legal related, criminal offense and DUI related. So thank you for watching this. Subscribe to my channel. And if you need me, call me directly at 602-980-1987.